then you would down or something, and you wanted to be able to look, I don't know, that's just what it's all about. All right, number 3, when you add 2 or more numbers, the result is the blank of the numbers. Raise your hand, and you are Michael, okay? The answer is the sum, yes. And if you want to, right now, you can work ahead on your own, and then we'll pick it up as we go. When you add 2 or more numbers, the answer is the sum of the numbers. Okay? All right, next one. Multiplication and blank are opposite operations, and you are? Kara. Okay? What's the opposite operation of multiplication, Kara?
Division.
Perfect. Multiplication and division are opposite operations. We got it? Okay, and then one more, fill the blank. Number 5 says the blank of 6 and 7 is 42. Matthew?
Product.
Product, very good. Product of 6 and 7 is 42. Okay, so I'll fill in the blank thingies there, right? And hopefully it looks like some of you are working your way through on your own. All right, number 6. Little addition review. We're going to go simplify. What does that mean?
Add.
Yeah, in this case it means add because there's addition signs, but simplify is a fancy math way of just saying do the problem. Okay? So 8 plus 116 plus 43. And this would be one where we wouldn't, of course, want to use a calculator. We'd make it just wait for you to do. What do you come up with from that? Anybody get it? But you went already, and you went already, and Carla went already too. I need to hear from someone new. You also went already. You are, I know your name, but I can't remember. Go ahead.
Carla.
You're Carla. Who's that?
Kara.
Kara. Oh, see, can you blame me? Okay. Carla, what did you get when you added those 3 numbers together?
167.
167 is correct. Very nice. Carla. Okay, number 7, 24, 31. Minus 187, a little bit trickier. Write them out, the whole thing, and subtract and borrow and all that fun stuff. Hopefully you remember that. You are Blaine. And you got what?
2,244.
2,244. Okay, good. That is correct. So if you went ahead, you can go back and check your work as we work through these together and change it if you got it wrong. All right, now I got some multiplication. Ooh, 2 digit by 3 digit. 204 times 38. And you know that little dot means multiplication, right? We've been through that before. Hey, you are Mackenzie, and the answer is? Very nicely done. 7,752. Okay, good. You guys have got 1,000 so far. Nobody's got one single one wrong. All right, 6447 divided by 21 is anybody? We heard from you already. Let's give somebody else a chance. No takers? You want to try it? Okay. 307 is correct. Very good. You guys don't even need to. What's that? You got a remainder?
7.
Okay, let's take a look. Let's work this one out. So it is 6447 divided by 21.
I thought 307, but maybe I just added something.
Okay. How many times did you get 621 going into 64? 3 times. And then 3 times 21 is 63, right?
Yeah.
Then you bring down the 4. How many times does 21 go into 14?
Yeah.
We've got 0, so you put a 0 there. Now we bring down the other 4. How many times is 21 going to 144?
Oh, that's why.
That's why?
Yeah, I got the
Okay.
right answer.
Okay, you good?
Yeah.
All right, everybody all right? You want me to keep going? Are we okay? I'll assume by your smiles that we're okay. All right, so that's the last one of those. And then now we have some, okay, numbers from least to greatest. You guys know how to do that. Do you know how to do 13 through 16 where it says that you can rewrite it using inverse operations if we jump ahead to that? You know what that means? Okay, let me show you one because that's kind of a weird thing to do. And then once I show you one, I'm sure you'll be able to pick up on the rest of them. So 13 starts with 72 plus 18 equals 90, okay? So what math operation are you using in this problem? Addition. What's the inverse or the opposite of addition? Subtraction. So if I wanted to write this as a subtraction problem that is still true, you would have to say 90 minus 18 equals 72.
Will you also do 90 minus 72 equals 18?
Nice, yeah, you sure could. Okay, so either one of those would work. Yeah, very good. You could also go 90 minus 72 equals 18, and that would also be true. Okay, so does that make sense then what they want you to do for the rest of those?
That's what you do.
Yep, that's all you have to do is just use those same numbers and the opposite operation to write a true symbol.
What is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I couldn't.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. And then 17 through 24, I'll just do a quick review, and then I'm going to let you guys keep going on your own. Do you remember order of operations?
Parentheses.
Uh-huh.
PEMDAS.
PEMDAS, right.
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
Awesome. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So P stands for parentheses. So you do whatever is in the parentheses first. E stands for bless you. No. E stands for what?
Exponents.
Exponents. So they go next. And then the M and the D, of course, are multiplication and division. And I'm going to tell you right now, this is a little bit of a lie. You don't always do multiplication before you do division. Once it's all, if it's all multiplication and division, you just go from left to right. So if I have like 4 divided by 2 times 6, I'm not going to do the 2 times 6 first and then go 4 divided by that. Now these are basically the same operation because they're inverses of each other. So I would go 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 6 is 12. Okay? And then the same thing with addition and subtraction. Those you just do from left to right once they're all worked out. Okay? All right, so you guys are doing an awesome job. You seem like you have this all figured out. Yeah. Yes.
Just the 17.
Yeah, just for the ones where there's work that you need to show.
What do you do in your head?
Yeah, then you don't have to show the other one. So if it's 2 plus 3, you just write down 3. Yeah.
Can I just see the company?
Oh, okay. What's the math operation there? Subtraction. What's the opposite of subtraction? Addition. So if you are starting with 10 minus 34 equals 66, I mean 100 minus 34 equals 66, how can you change that to an addition problem that's still going to work? What 2 numbers of those can you add together to give the third number? The 34 and the 66. So you can rewrite it. Oh, okay. You can rewrite it as 34 plus 66 equals 100. Okay? Yeah.
On number 20, it
Mhm.
just says 5 plus 2 in parentheses,
Mhm.
and then the other one is in
Mhm.
parentheses 5 minus 2.
So you do each of the parentheses on their own first,
Yeah.
and then
Then
multiply.
you add them.
You multiply because the parentheses mean
Oh,
multiply.
are together.
Yep. Yep. Okay. All right. So I'm going to shut this down. If you guys have any more